Hi, I'm Peter Thoma. I am a helicopter operator in the area of Munich, Germany. Right now we are operating a fleet of Bell helicopters. The types are Bell 206, we have Bell 427, Bell 429 and Bell 407. I started to fly on helicopters in 1975, rescue services, for quite a while, and went into airline business later on, and I have accumulated so far 33,500 hours and almost 8,000 hours I have flown on Bell helicopters. My passion started pretty early. The 429 is a great helicopter for corporate transport because it's fast, it's reliable, the helicopter is very powerful, and as I said, the speed counts and the passenger comfort. Well, I started to fly helicopters on a Bell 47 and went later on to bigger helicopters like 206, UH-1, 412, 212. And I always felt very comfortable. My opinion is that the best passive safety is on Bell helicopters. My experience is that we have developed over time a lot of personal contacts, and must say, whenever I had a problem, it was fixed in no time.